Good morning, class ninth. As we move towards the second last point of French Revolution, our today's topic is abolition of slavery. Abolition of slavery. Slavery, before that, why it was necessary? Just have a look on this PPT. Slavery. These people sold out and they have to face the terrible journey across the Atlantic Ocean. In fact, that 10 to 15 million slaves were be forced across Atlantic, at least 2 millions died. Now, this was the way of punishment by their masters. They were not allowed to go for bathrooms. Often they took form of being forced to dance for their masters' amusement. So, see the conditions. These all are against the humanity. They are also the human beings. In such unbelievable, terrible conditions, slaves sometimes tried to rebel to overthrow the rule of the ship. But generally they failed. Now the methods they used, now these were the ships at the old time. This is the modern one. These were the ships at the old time. Now these have this type of luxury, and this was the old ship. This famous picture of ship layout, in which way they were tied. They have to sleep in that way. Such a critical condition, students, such a critical condition. So, in France, due to these terrible condition, forcefully slaved, National Convention, after a long debate, passed the bill in 1794, declared the slavery is illegal. And however, this was not over, but this was ended in 1848. Slavery was abolished from French colonies. This was the traveling pictures which they faced, and after they reached at that land, they were discriminated in a different ways. Ultimately, the slave trade was abolished from France in 1848. Now, this was a triangular slave trade, Europe, Africa, and America. And the condition which you see in this PPT, that in which way they traveled from one place to another place. It was against the humanity, and we believe that they take the right decision in 1848 to abolish the slavery. This voice was raised by Jacobins that every person is the human being and it should be treated just like a human being, and they have their natural rights. Okay, students, this is for today. Tomorrow we will discuss whole chapter again and ended this chapter. Okay.